Are you looking for the top 3 best VR headsets 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best VR headsets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MetaQuest 2. The MetaQuest 2 is a master class in incremental improvements over its predecessor, the Oculus Quest. As reviewer Michael Androni concluded, the MetaQuest 2 price, game library, and overall ease of use make it the best entry point into virtual reality yet. That's because sports a slicker design, better display resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate in some games and apps, and faster overall performance. It also just feels like a neat yet rather well-made headset. Logitech even released speakers that can be attached to the Quest 2 strap to provide a premium sound experience without taking you fully out of the real world. It also does all this yet again with any cables, though you can connect it to a PC via the Oculus Link cable and get access to full-fat PSVR games. Deputy editor Mike Prospero did just that with Microsoft Flight Simulator and the Oculus Quest 2, one of the most affordable headsets out there, making its quality and versatility all the more impressive. It still remains the best way to get started with the world of virtual reality experiences thanks to its suite of apps and games on the Oculus Store. At number 2. PlayStation VR. If you wanted to play VR games on a console, then the PlayStation VR system is your best and pretty much only bet. As reviewer Sherry L. Smith noted, PlayStation VR delivers compelling games in a comfortable, easy-to-use headset that won't break your budget. The semi-futuristic-looking headset is surprisingly comfortable, with a superb range of some of the best VR games. This includes games like Hitman 3, Stride, and Star Wars Squadrons, among others. If you have a P4 or PS4 Pro, then PlayStation VR is definitely one of the more affordable ways to play VR games with decent quality graphics, since you don't need an expensive gaming PC. Plus, even with the less than stellar Move controllers and graphics that fall a bit short of high-end PC graphics, you still get a relatively high-end VR experience. One thing to also bear in mind is that the PlayStation 5 also has support for PlayStation VR, but it has some issues. It doesn't play as nicely with the Move controllers as its PS4 counterparts. But there's good news, as the PS400 2 headset is coming soon and should give the headset and controllers a serious refresh. At number 3. MetaQuest Pro. The MetaQuest Pro is effectively the grown-up version of the Quest 2. Though the Quest Pro can play games, it's aimed at designers, engineers, scientists, and creatives who frequently collaborate online. This is another step toward Meta's goal of making the metaverse a reality, and questions about the metaverse viability aside, the Quest Pro is itself an impressive piece of tech. The issue is that it may not be practical for most VR enthusiasts, let alone anyone looking to just get started experience mixed reality. Its features aren't aimed towards gaming, meaning that there are better and certainly less expensive options for VR gamers. And if you want a versatile way to get into the world of VR, the Quest 2 can probably do most things you'll need, even if it isn't as graphically powerful or come with full-color mixed reality capabilities. Most likely, people waiting for mixed reality features like full-color augmented reality pass-through are better off waiting for the Quest 3. But if money is no object, there's no denying that the MetaQuest Pro is a great VR headset. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.